everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Green Minimalist Life. Today I will be talking about how to care for your wooden kitchen items like a chopping board or a wooden spoon, so to make it last longer. Probably everyone has a chopping board and any other wood items in the kitchen. To make these items to last long as possible, it's important to know how to take care of these items. So today I want to give you some easy tips on how to clean and care for any wooden kitchen item, such as a chopping board or a wooden spoon. So generally, when cleaning your chopping board or any other kitchen item, you should pay attention to the following things. First, to clean a chopping board, for instance, we need of course water. Yet, you should not let the board sink in the water for a long time, as the material can quickly swell up. Second, dry the board with a towel. Wood as a raw material takes time to dry, which is why I would recommend to dry it with a towel after cleaning it. Also, put the board standing upright so that the moisture can escape and no bacteria can be grown. And lastly, many chopping boards get some cracks after some time. This crack allows bacteria and germs to grow. And this is why it's even more important to know how to clean and care for your wooden items. So let's get to the tips. So let's come to the first part, namely how to clean your wooden kitchen items properly. First, besides cleaning it with dishwasher soap, you can also give some vinegar on the surface of the wooden items. It will not only kill germs, but also eliminate unpleasant odors, for example like garlic. And as already mentioned, after cleaning your wooden kitchen item, dry it with a towel or place it upright so that it can dry properly. So coming to the second part, namely how to care for your wooden kitchen items. A good prevention is key to make the items last longer. So with the help of the soft cloth, as you can see here, or you can also use a kitchen towel, just put some all on the cloth, just gently, smooth it a little bit, and rub the cloth to every little spot of the wooden item, so it gets nice care to every edges. So you can continue doing like this, really doing it for any spot, and you can also do it of course with any other wooden item, like also for a wooden spoon. So you might wonder how often you have to do this. I would say there's no general rule of thumb, and of course it depends also on how often you use your kitchen items. For me, I think I do it every 2 to 4 months, I would say, but of course it depends up to you, and I think it's better, just to do it a couple of times than not to do it at all. So I really hope you enjoyed today's content, even if it was a little bit shorter today. Let me know in the comments below what care routines you do for your kitchen items or any other items that you have in your house to make these items last longer. So that's from my side today. If you're new to this channel or if you want to receive updates, then feel free to subscribe my channel. See you next time.